Welcome to the Sons of the American Legion. We are a service organization dedicated to truly helping our veterans and military families in need. And we need you to make it happen. Gentlemen, you can become a member of the Sons if your parents or grandparents served our great nation during a time of war. Let's honor their service and sacrifice, knowing they were willing to pay the ultimate price. And together, we can make a better tomorrow for our veterans today. The Sons stand strong on the 4 pillars of the American Legion. Pillar 1, Veteran Affairs and Rehabilitation. Pillar 2, National Security. Pillar 3, Americanism. And Pillar 4, Children and Youth, the future of America. Now that you've heard the call, it's time for you to get involved. Join our American Legion family today. We are honored to have you aboard, son.